I bought and tested these laptops so you don't have to waste your money. As an architecture student, I know how crucial it is to have a powerful laptop that can handle demanding software like AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit. Stick around as I dive deep into my top 5 picks that balance performance, design, and budget. Product number 1, Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop. When I first unboxed the Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop, I was instantly struck by its sleek design and vibrant blue color. Weighing in at 16 inches, this beauty boasts a WQXGA 120Hz display, which is perfect for architectural rendering and gaming alike. The visuals are stunningly bright at 300 nits, making it easy to look at long hours without straining my eyes. The Intel Core 7-240H processor with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD allows for smooth multitasking, which is crucial when juggling multiple projects. However, the real showstopper here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050, which elevates graphical performance to a whole new level. I put it through its paces with some demanding 3D modeling software, and it handled everything like a champ. I was able to run complex architectural designs without a hitch. On the downside, this laptop is on the heavier side, which could be a drawback for students on the go. The battery life could be better. I found myself scrambling for a power outlet during long study sessions. So why should you consider the Alienware 16 Aurora? If you're serious about architecture and need a laptop that doubles as a gaming machine, this one is worth the investment. With its top-tier specs and stunning display, it's a powerhouse designed for both work and play. Product number 2, Asus VivoBook Go 15.6-inch FHD Slim Laptop. Next up is the Asus VivoBook Go, which I picked up as a budget-friendly option. Priced at around $299, it's hard to believe this laptop can pack such a punch. The AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor, paired with 8GB of DDR5 RAM, makes it a solid performer for everyday tasks, including web browsing and running basic design software. The 15.6-inch Nano Edge display is surprisingly vibrant, and the slim bezels give it a modern look. One feature I particularly appreciated was the ErgoSense keyboard, which is comfortable and responsive, making long hours of typing less tedious. The laptop is lightweight at 3.59 pounds, making it easy to carry around campus. However, the 128GB SSD is quite limited, and I found myself needing to offload files to an external drive frequently. The Asus VivoBook Go is perfect for architecture students who need a reliable, portable laptop for taking notes, browsing the web, and working on smaller projects. If you're looking for a solid entry-level laptop without breaking the bank, this one fits the bill nicely. Product number 3, Lenovo LOQ Essential Gaming Laptop. Moving on to the Lenovo LOQ Essential, this laptop is another great contender in the architecture realm. The Intel Core i5-12450HX processor, combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card, makes it a dream for students who need to run heavy applications. The 15.6-inch FHD IPS display provides excellent color accuracy, which is essential for rendering architectural projects. I was particularly impressed with the advanced cooling system. It kept the laptop running smoothly during intense work sessions. The battery life is decent, allowing for about 6 to 8 hours depending on usage, which is a plus for those long days at school. Plus, the aesthetic design in Luna Gray gives it a sleek, professional look that you'd be proud to carry around. However, it's worth noting that the 8GB of RAM might be a bottleneck for very heavy multitasking, but for the average architecture student, it should suffice. The Lenovo LOQ Essential is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a balance of performance and affordability, making it an attractive option for budding architects. Product number 4, HP Chromebook 14 Laptop. The HP Chromebook 14 is a more minimalist choice, especially for those who primarily work in the cloud. Priced affordably at around $169, this laptop is lightweight and built for efficiency. The Intel Celeron N4000 processor with 4 GB of RAM is suitable for basic tasks like web browsing and running Google Docs, making it a great option for students who don't require heavy software. The 14-inch HD display is decent for watching videos and video calls, but it's not designed for heavy graphic work. This Chromebook excels in its battery life, lasting up to 13.5 hours, which is perfect for long days at school. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, and the lightweight build means you won't feel bogged down in your backpack. However, the limited 32 GB eMMC storage can be restrictive, especially if you need to store large files. If you're looking for a basic, no-frills laptop primarily for note-taking and online research, the HP Chromebook 14 is a fantastic, budget-friendly option. Product number 5. HP OmniBook 5 Flip 2-in-1 Laptop. Let's talk about the HP OmniBook 5 Flip 2-in-1. This model stands out due to its versatility. The 14-inch touchscreen is perfect for sketching and taking notes directly on the screen. With an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, it offers a good balance of performance and storage. The touchscreen capability transforms it into a digital sketchpad, which is a game changer for architecture students. I found it incredibly useful for quick brainstorming sessions and digital note-taking. The build quality feels solid, and the silver finish gives it a professional look. On the downside, the performance may lag during heavy multitasking, especially when running demanding applications. But for those looking for a laptop that can double as a tablet, the HP OmniBook 5 is a fantastic option for both classwork and design projects. In conclusion, each of these laptops has its unique strengths tailored to different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for raw power, portability, or versatility, there's a perfect fit for every architecture student. I hope this guide helps you make an informed decision so you can focus on what really matters, your designs and projects.